Hello and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to be continuing on our little apothecary drawers. We're going to be cleaning this one up, cutting off this end part so that it's nice and smooth out some of these seams, and then we're going to be making a few more. So let's get started. that's all that we have time for today. We finished up on this piece. All it needs is a nice little sanding down, just to get it kind of more even. But we made a little latch for it so that we can pull it when it's actually in the setting. So this is just going to go into, we're going to make another piece that this is going to go into, and then pull out. So I'm really liking how this is coming along. Fairly simple. It does need a lot of tools that I don't necessarily have, but I'm at least trying to get past all that with some different tooling. So we have the pieces for the next drawer all ready to go. We could probably, what was this? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have enough for another drawer, and then an extra 2 pieces, which we're just gonna keep cutting pieces from the wood that we got, and we got a decent amount of wood, and there's still more left. So I think we have enough wood to be able to do a nice, like, 5-piece set. But unfortunately, like I said, this is all that we have time for today. So I hope that you all enjoyed, and we'll probably switch it up next week and actually do some jewelry work. Not sure what, or maybe go back to the thermos prettier, but just so then you guys aren't bogged down by all of this woodworking stuff. A lot of you seem to like it, and that's awesome, but I am a jeweler first, and I don't even want to call myself a woodworker, because that's not, no, that would be an insult to woodworkers. This would definitely be an insult to woodworking. But I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified whenever I put out a video. I've been trying to do 2 videos a week, 1 live and 1 my Sunday episode, which is jewelry. Right now we're trying to make a bench, jeweler's bench, which is, of course, what we're doing right now. But normally we are working on some sort of jewelry. But I just wanted to make my space more presentable and more organized, because right now I have all of my Dremel stuff is all still in the container, which that's kind of organized, but honestly I would rather have a drawer that had, let's say, all of my drill bits in it, or all of my buffing, polishing stuff, instead of having it all just here, because I've got this one, and then I've got this one, which is all disorganized. So I definitely want to get all of these into their own specific area, and drawers just seem to work in my head, at least. So I hope that you all enjoyed, and I hope that I see you all next week, and have a wonderful evening.